Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your chapter briefing session for today's chapter that we had conducted in our online class. It is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Text Editor. We'll start with the program TuxPaint, which you have done in the previous chapter. By using the program TuxPaint, what we had done? By using the program, we had draw and color the drawings. So, TuxPaint is a program which help us to draw and color. By using TuxPaint, we have drawn the drawings, we have colored them. So, TuxPaint is a program by which we can draw and color. Similarly, there is another type of program which is known as text editor. What are text editor programs? Text editor programs are those programs which help us to type letters, words or sentences. हमें article, documents, whatever we are typing, to help us in typing purpose, to help us in typing those letters or the lines, which program is helped? That program is known as text editor. After the text editor, as in the class, we had also discussed about operating system. As we know, operating system is the most important program that a computer should have. Without operating system, your computer will not work. So operating system is the most important program that control the all complete work or all the work of computer. आपका operating system कंप्लीट कंप्यूटर को हैंडल करता है और कंप्यूटर के सारे प्रोसेसेस को कंट्रोल करता है. We have certain types of operating system. Among that, we are going to talk about Ubuntu and Windows operating system. Ubuntu operating system is being explained in your book. You will be finding this operating system up to your class 5 textbook, in which you will be taught about different programs that are available on Ubuntu. Similar programs are available in your another operating system which we mostly have. Okay, the operating system is Windows. So here we are going to talk about the text editor program which is available in Ubuntu is gedit, and the text editor program which is available in Windows is Notepad. How to start this program? Students, whether you have Ubuntu or you have Windows, in both operating system we have a search box. Yes, a search box at the bottom of your desktop. Search box help us to find our files or programs which are saved in our computer. हमारे कंप्यूटर में जो भी प्रोग्राम्स, जो भी फाइल सेव्ड है, स्टोर्ड है, उन्हें फाइंड आउट करने में, सर्च करने में हमें सर्च बॉक्स हेल्प करता है. So whatever is your operating system, whether it is gedit or Notepad, in the search box, please type the name of the program. If you are using Windows operating system, you will type Notepad in the search box. If you are using Ubuntu operating system, you will type gedit. So we will type gedit in the search box. After typing the name of the program in the search box, it will show you the icon of the program. And yes, we all know how to open a program if the icon is visible by using mouse. So what will you do? You will take the mouse on this icon and you will double click on this program. When you will double click on it, the program will start or the program will open. So you have to start the program, you have to type the name of the program in the search box. Once the name of the program is typed, it will show you the icon of the program, which you have to double click on it and the program will start. Once you have opened up the program, you can see the screen which is shown on page number 70. We are going to talk about the different parts of this screen. 1 minute. Once you will open up the program, you can see the screen which is being roughly drawn here. We are going to talk about the different parts of this screen. The first part is your title bar. As I had mentioned, this part of the program will tell you the name of the file. Title bar shows the name of the file which you are working on. Like if I have named my file as Shri, so on title bar the name of the file Shri will be shown. Along with the name of the bar, on this title bar we have 3 control buttons. Minimize button, which will make your screen size and small and put it on the task bar. आपका जो प्रोग्राम है वो स्मॉल होकर मिनिमाइज होकर टास्क बार पे आ जाता है. That is minimize button, the first button, minimize button. After the minimize, the second is restore, or you can say the maximize button. This will make your screen of its original size, big size में वापस से आपके स्क्रीन को रिस्टोर करता है. मिनिमाइज बटन आपके स्क्रीन को स्मॉल करके टास्क बार पे शिफ्ट करेगा, whereas your maximize button will again make it to its original size. The third control button which is available is the close button. The third button which is available is your close button. The close button will close the program. ये आपके प्रोग्राम को सेफली क्लोज कर देगा. If you have not saved the file name, अगर आपने फाइल का नाम सेव नहीं किया है तो by default the name of the file will be shown as untitled. Untitled 1. Okay, so this is the title bar. Title bar shows you the name of the file along with the program and consists of three control buttons. These control buttons help you to minimize the screen to make it small, maximize the screen to make it of its original size, and close the program. After that title bar, we have the next bar, that is menu bar. Menu bar consists of different commands and instructions which will help to work in the text editor program. आपके टेक्स्ट एडिटर प्रोग्राम में फॉर परफॉर्मिंग डिफरेंट वर्क आपको यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कमांड्स मेनू बार पे मिलेंगे. द फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट मेनू विच विल बी यूजिंग इन टुडेज चैप्टर इज योर फाइल मेनू. सो वी विल बी यूजिंग सर्टेन कमांड्स इन फाइल मेनू which will allow you to save the document, to open a saved document, and to print them. These 3 commands are available in your file menu, which is available on menu bar. So menu bar consists of all those commands, all those instructions which will help us to work in document. After the menu bar, we have the third toolbar. Toolbar consists of those tools. Tools are what? Those are the devices or things which we use to do our work. Like sir is using a marker to write on the board. So right now marker is a tool. I would use a scissor to cut the paper. Scissor is a tool. Similarly, you will be provided with certain tools in text editor to work. Those tools will help to change the size of the text, color of the text, will also allow you to insert different shapes. So for doing all these work, certain tools are available on टूल बार. हम टूल बार पे प्रेजेंट टूल्स का यूज करके हम साइज, कैरेक्टर का साइज चेंज कर सकते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स के कलर्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं, एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट हम शेप्स को एंटर कर सकते हैं. वी कैन मेक टेबल्स इन आवर डॉक्यूमेंट. ऑल दिस वर्क कैन बी डन बाय यूजिंग टूल्स व्हिच आर अवेलेबल ऑन टूल बार. आफ्टर द टूल बार वी हैव टैब. as I had told you, tabs are the different screen of the same program. एक ही प्रोग्राम का अगर हम एक से ज्यादा स्क्रीन ओपन करते हैं, सेम प्रोग्राम बट डिफरेंट स्क्रीन्स, so those screens are known as tab. So this is your first screen, so tab 1, second screen tab 2, and similarly आप इस प्रोग्राम के जितने पार्ट्स ओपन करेंगे, जितने स्क्रीन्स आप ऐड करेंगे, those all screen will be named as tab. After the tab, the last part we have is your status bar. Status bar defines you different, gives you the description about the text which you have written. ये आपको complete detail देता है, like the number of words you have written, कितने words आपने लिख लिए, number of lines you have typed, कितने lines आपने type कर लिए, and position of cursor, आपके cursor का position. So all this information are mentioned or showed on status bar. We have talked about title bar, which shows the name of the file, consists of 3 control buttons: minimize, maximize and close. Menu bar consists of different commands or instructions which help to work on the text document. Toolbar consists of different tools by which you can change the appearance of the text, you can change the color, you can insert the shapes. Status bar, which tells you different information regarding the text document. This is the description about the text editor window. Once we have understood what is the different parts of the text editor, then we can start typing in it. To type in a text editor document, what we have to do? To type in the text document, in the document area, the middle white screen, you have to just double click in the document area. Wherever you will click, a blinking cursor will appear at that point. So now, whatever you will be typing, it will be typed at the position of blinking cursor. जहाँ पे blinking cursor होता है, आप जो भी type करोगे, वो word वहाँ पे type होगा. So let's say I have typed the word apple. So wherever is the blinking cursor, the word will be typed there, and now the blinking cursor will be standing after the word. This is how you can insert text, letter or word in your text document area. Once you have typed something, you need to save it down. You have to save the file. For saving the file, what you have to do, you have to go to the menu bar, as I had mentioned right now. Which menu we will be talking about? हम menu bar पे किस menu के बारे में बात करेंगे? The first menu, that is your file menu. Now, file menu, when you will click on file menu, we have certain commands like save, open, print and quit or close. We will be talking about these 4 commands. Okay, save. Save command help us to save our work. हमने जो भी document prepare किया है, जो भी work किया है, हमें save करने में help करता है. When you will click on file menu, save option, what will happen? A screen will appear in front of you, asking you to type the name of the file. Whatever name you want to type, you can type. Like I have given Shri. Then click on OK button. The file, whatever file, will be saved with the name of Shri in computer memory. Save option आपके file को save करता है. For that you have to give the name of the file. Whatever name you are giving, the file will be saved in the computer's memory with that name. Once you have saved the file, you can again open up. You can again access the file. आप उस फाइल को वापस ओपन कर सकते हैं जिसे आपने सेव किया है. For what you have to do? You have to click on the file menu. Click on the next option, that is open. When you will click on open button, again a screen will be there with a name. Please write the name of the file which you want to open. Let's say हम अपना previously saved Shri file को ही open करना चाहते हैं. Type the name Shri. The file will be shown here. Click on OK button. The file will be open on your screen. आपके screen पे वो file open हो जाएगा with whatever you have written in it. Like हमने Apple लिख के छोड़ दिया था, so हमारा file open होगा and in that document Apple will be written. This is opening a saved file. Then printing the file. Printing the file means whatever is your file उसे एक पेपर के ऊपर प्रिंटर के थ्रू, प्रिंटर डिवाइस के थ्रू प्रिंट करवाना. So whatever is written on the page, if you want to take a printout on a page, what you have to do, click on the file menu button. There is a print command. Click on the print, select the printer which is attached to the computer. आपके कंप्यूटर से जो प्रिंटर अटैच्ड है उसे सेलेक्ट करें. Click on OK. Whatever is the content written will be printed on a paper. Last is your quit or close. Means closing your program. आपके program को properly close करना. When your all the work which you have done is saved, आपने जो भी वर्क किया है उसे आपने सेव कर लिया है. After that, you can click on the file menu. In file menu, the last command is quit. You will click on quit, and the program will be closed successfully and properly. If your work is not saved, अगर आपने work को save नहीं किया है, it will show you a message that if you want to save your work, computer will ask you, would you like to save your work? You have to click yes, because नहीं तो work save नहीं होगा. So before quitting, before closing the program, it's a suggestion and an advice that you should always save the work. Students, this makes the chapter briefing session completed. I would be sharing the chapter reading session along with the practical explanation and the exercise part, which you have to do it in your book. Till then, thank you and take care.